Happy Sunday. I love a good Sunday. Like a just slow Sunday I think is so good for the soul. This Sunday has been a little bit interesting. I'm gonna do my makeup while I talk and just do a little get ready with me. I'm in my Artist of Life little set from Lavender. I'm actually in a pretty good mood for how little sleep I think I got. We had awful thunderstorms all this weekend here in Nashville, and like seriously the loudest thunder and lightning I've ever heard. So that kept me up Saturday night and last night. And last night I had to move to Lucy's room because the leak in my ceiling started again. It just happens when it rains. They have not fixed it yet. So you saw the cleaning and everything. Then I did a little bit of some work, but now I'm getting ready. It is 12 o'clock. Wow. Time has flown by. I'm getting ready because in an hour I actually have a little in-person blogger event, which I'm excited these are coming back. We can only stay there. I'm taking Lucy too. We can only stay there for like 45 minutes because I have a call at 2 today. But there's going to be like charcuterie boards and mimosas maybe, and we're going to like get our nails painted. Dry Bar I think is doing some hairstyles. It's just like a cute little event at a skin place that the Skin Studio's partnering with a blogger to do. And we've just been jamming to country beach music all morning because it's finally sunny out. Yesterday was so gross and not sunny at all. And I also want to meal prep some today too. So I will probably take a little trip to the grocery store. I'm trying to decide if I want to drive all the way out to Trader Joe's or just go to Kroger, because Trader Joe's you always have to wait and stuff. I need to get dressed too. I probably should have waited and put on my actual clothes before doing my makeup. But it's not too much. It's not too heavy. All right, let's continue with this slow Saturday.
But first, I wanted to make some coffee and talk to you guys about Nguyen Coffee Supply. I am so excited to work with them on this video because they are on a mission to transform the coffee industry through diversity, inclusion, and transparency. They're such a cool company because they're the first specialty Vietnamese coffee company importing directly from Vietnam and roasting in Brooklyn, New York. And you know how I love women in entrepreneurship? Well, the company is founded and owned by a first-generation Vietnamese American woman and daughter of refugees. They offer 3 varieties of coffee that you saw on the screen. I love the names: Moxie, Loyalty, True Grit, and the packaging is so cute. And what's really unique about them is they use a fin filter, which I had never used before, but it's really easy to use. You just add in your ground coffee, drop the gravity press, then pour in boiling hot water, and you'll begin to see the coffee drip through the filter, and then you can make the coffee however you'd like. It gives a great flavor and produces less waste as it doesn't require any paper filters. So I loved using this and trying it out on this slow Sunday when I had a little bit extra time to make my coffee because I could really enjoy the coffee making process. I decided to make this one iced, so I added some oat milk and ice and enjoyed it out on my balcony. And so if you are a coffee lover like me and you want to support this great company with a great mission, then I have a 10% off coupon for you guys that you can use on your first purchase at nguyencoffeesupply.com. Now here's my outfit. Let's get ready to go out to this event.
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Did you want one? You're good? Okay, sounds good.
So cute. Lucy's first vlogger event.
Izzy was just talking about Mental Wellness Day, and really emphasizing with all of you in college
Lucy and I got our nails done at the event.
Yes.
I got a green, she got a blue.
I know.
They're perfect for spring and Easter.
They honestly are. They're actually kind of Easter colors, I feel like. Oh, we picked out good ones.
Yes.
Ooh.
And then we got some little goodie bags. They gave us a little mini wine, which I already put away, but then we got this put away.
Oh, you put it away.
Yeah.
You threw it away.
No, I put it up there. A few different, actually all masks, I think, / face products. So we can try them out tonight if we want. But very, very cute. It was good to go to an event after not going to any for a year. So sheets are still in the wash, but I downloaded the Lens Buddy app, and so I'm gonna try it out. Okay, we're gonna do 10 photos, about 20 seconds. We're gonna try it. I think I'm gonna pose here with this book. We're just gonna see. We're just testing it out. Okay, some of these are hilarious. Look at what? What? Hold on. Look at this. What? You know, sometimes what the idea you have in your mind just doesn't work out like it's supposed to. And that's okay. All right, I just got off a FaceTime with my boyfriend Jimmy. It is 5:30. I'm gonna go to Kroger and get some groceries. I'd rather go to Trader Joe's, but it's a longer drive, and we're gonna go to Kroger, keep it easy. Then I want to meal prep for the week, some healthy dinners and breakfast and lunch, I guess, too. So that is what we're gonna do. Back to the car. Yes.
Okay. I just don't know if I like this ink. Okay, we'll go like.
All right, we made a nice encrusted salmon salad with Brussels sprouts and avocado ranch on top. It is 9 p.m. I just took a shower and I'm getting into bed. Probably watch a Netflix show, one episode or something, maybe of Dawson's Creek, but I got my nighttime liquid IV so I can hopefully fall asleep quickly and sleep well. I have my microwaved heating pad that is very hot that I'm going to use hopefully on my lower back for cramping, and we are gonna get a good night's sleep on this Sunday. Meal prepping went really good. I'm excited. I have at least the first half of my week's meals like done. But yeah, all in all, it was a really good Sunday despite the sleeping, rain, ceiling leaking incidents. It was a good Sunday. Thank you guys for coming along, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Peace out.